So today I need to go grab myself some basics for the gym, grab my coffee. I've just been going around Soho, checking out a couple of different stores. My Coquito Latte from 787, so shout out to 787 for really good coffee. I'm gonna go hit Nike, have to get myself some just good everyday lifestyle essentials. So I'm gonna head over there now and see if I get lucky and find the pieces that I need, because I can never really get lucky with the sizing. So this is the one that I want, but I want it in black, so I'm gonna have to look online because they don't have it anywhere.
By the way, we're such a tourist.
Are you gonna tag me? Make sure you tag me. So that's my carry-on bag.
Wait, that one? That big one is your carry-on?
I like it on the strap.
Yeah, this strap is, I wasn't looking for that, but I really like that.
All you gotta do is dig a little bit in any city, and you can find some Brooklyn. If you've never been to the GAR, which is the when it actually do like Civil War memorabilia and read a little better, and that's good. That's really good. All representing 50% of the tour guide.
I'm getting close up.
We are going to the Freedom Tower for Mike's dinner. So I'm heading over there right now. Today's fit. Full Celine, little Club Monaco, little YSL. I'll show you guys when I get up there. One of the rare, really beautiful days where the weather is not cold during January, so I'm fully taking advantage of it. It's super nice out. The weather is literally perfect. We're going up there. Gotta just figure out how I'm gonna get in. Birthday boy going up. Going up, going up.
Oh, you're gonna pour it into your drink?
Nah, I'm gonna take it.
He tried to swim it.
This shit is high up.
You needed a blessing. You needed a know. Look at that. What a heart. Oh, at least you got one. Yeah.
Alright, so I have to go do some errands today. To actually go to the dentist and do normal day-to-day stuff today. So I'm going to take you guys with me as much as I can. And then when we get back in, I'm gonna just catch you up basically on where I've been, everything I've done in the last like month or so, because it took a little bit of a hiatus from vlogging just because I just wanted to kind of catch up on life and get myself organized and together. I wanted to revamp my whole wardrobe for the most sense, and just really dive deep into everything that I have and completely just reorganize and take out stuff that I really don't use. And just for me personally, if I have stuff that I don't use, it kind of like throws my whole way of thinking off. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I don't like having it or seeing it. So it took time to just declutter and clean up my closet and redo my room for filming, because I just wanted it aesthetically to kind of get to a better place for you guys and for myself when I film. It's not fully there, but you guys can probably see from over the last couple of vlogs to now slight differences, but going forward it's gonna just keep getting better and better. But let's get into the fit breakdown for today. I just wanted to be cozy. I don't really feel like throwing on like some crazy avant-garde fit today, to be honest with you. I'm a little run down and tired from work and just doing all of my stuff, so today's fit's gonna be chic, but it's gonna be a little bit more on the relaxing side. So let's jump into it. You guys can see we got a little wild on the legs. Been eyeing these for quite some time. These are one of the louder pieces from Eddie's Celine. These are Celine track pants with this abstract, almost looks like graffiti or paint. I've been debating these for a long time, but I feel like I've wanted them for so long that I feel like it's justified at this point. And the fit is more of a flare, so as you guys can see at the bottom it kind of puddles. It's just when I stand up you guys will see it a little bit more. So it puddles out at the bottom like that. On the feet I got the good Pegasus in this white colorway that I actually picked up for Christmas. Love these, and I just think that with the pink kind of just blends perfectly with this pant towards the bottom even more, just because this seems to be more reddish pinkish colors at the bottom part of these pants. Up top we have my Saint Laurent Bolo hoodie with the detail. I picked this up, I want to say like a year ago, 2 years ago. I love this thing. I actually honestly forgot that I even had it, but when I went into my hoodie little section I found it and I felt like it goes perfectly. The pants are the loudest piece that you kind of want people's eyes to go straight towards. You don't really want to do too much, especially when you're doing something more abstract. I wanted people's attention to be more so on the pants. And then on the top we have this vintage cashmere coat. My tailor fully resized it, brought this thing back to life. Super classic. The fit on this is amazing. Can't even tell you how old this coat is, but it has this curly haired lamb on the collar. So that's today's fit. I think I'm running late, so I'm gonna head out and we will check in over this vlog. So you guys have seen these frames on the channel for quite some time. These are my Garrett Light the Rose sunglasses, literally just sitting here, and for the first time ever I've discovered that hidden in the frames themselves are both the Rose logo and the Garrett Light logo. Never ever noticed that until now, that someone's hitting them in a certain way, and I literally just saw the logo. It was crazy, but yeah, just a little detail that I literally just stumbled upon. Could be an Easter egg or just part of the design. I thought it was cool. I wanted to share it with you guys. I have been wanting this cowhide rug. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with those types of rugs, but I have wanted one of these rugs for so long, specifically in like a chocolate brown with white spotting for just like my room or for the living room space, and just to have one in the house in general. The last time I went to Ikea, they had a selection of them, but the hides didn't like hit the way I needed them to hit, and I'm searching for one that's like super specific, and I'm not gonna find it exactly how I want, but I'm gonna go to this Ikea in Jersey and see if I get lucky today, because they do get them in frequently and sell out. So I'm gonna go over there. Maybe I'll find some other goodies for the room and just around the house also, but just really hunting for that that cowhide rug. So let's see. Fingers crossed I get lucky. Alright, so I've made it in and I've already found one little thing that I'm gonna add to my cart because I like to do infused water. So I'm gonna get one of these for that. So I found the Arsenal, but out of all of them, I think that I love this one the most because it has the little white patch and also the hair is just super fluffy. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's super big. I'm just in between that one and this one. And they also have this one. It's like a browner. Mission successful. Check out now, and then we're gonna roll out. Successful trip, people. We're gonna head back. Ikea in Jersey was a success. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys some of the new pickups I did in this vlog or another one, but definitely want to break down just like in general, like how much stuff I have gotten rid of from my closet. Downsized a pinch. I'm not gonna say like an enormous amount. Definitely did get rid of a good amount of stuff in my closet that I just didn't feel was resonating with me anymore. Everybody should have some type of a fresh start in regards to your closet. Your style definitely stays the same, but it does grow over time. Start to find things that you tend to like more and tend to just embody more over time. Like I definitely am still rocker chic, but I also feel like there's ways of doing that in a more relaxed boho way, which you guys have seen today with my more casual fit, but more into that when we get back. Alright, so I just got back from the gym. I think that now that I see it against the wood floor, that I would want one that has a little bit more white spotting, like more of a cow resemblance in the actual carpet. So I don't know, I'm gonna sit with this one for the day or two and just see how I feel about it, but I think I might end up swapping this one out and looking for one that has a little bit more spotting in it. I do love the chocolate brown, but I just think that for the floor I need something with more white in it to kind of pop it, but I love the way that it looks. Just how like my boots are situated on it. But we have a new little gift pickup, so we'll jump into this. So I took a little bit of a break from filming before we jump into my gift that I just received. I took a little bit of a break from filming. I think that I just wanted to take some time at the beginning of the year to kind of plan out what I want to accomplish for this new year, for 2023. Definitely in regards to my videos going forward, plans that I have for the channel, and just plans that I have for my own personal life and all that greatness. So I definitely took a couple of weeks off just to kind of like recenter and refocus, take the time to reevaluate a lot of things. In that time I was definitely doing a lot of purging in my closet. The last year or two I've definitely accumulated a bunch of stuff, that a lot of it that still is within my style, a lot of it that wasn't. I think that everybody kind of accumulates stuff and gets to that point where things kind of just feel like a lot. Just kind of want to dive deep into it, clean up a little bit and get rid of stuff that you don't use, whether you sell them, gift them to people, friends and family, or donate them. It took some time also to just redo my closet. I'm happy that I've gotten it to a point where it's everything that I use as of now, the most essential key pieces that I use on a day-to-day basis. I do like to promote stuff that is being used, so definitely buy pieces and invest in things that you know you're gonna have long term, or at least get its money's worth out of it. I took a lot of time to just kind of purge my closet, and I'm slowly starting to pick up on new pieces that I want to replace old things with, or just feel that it would better suit my needs as of now. I think that I'm gonna end up doing a dedicated video in regards to my best and worst purchases, or just my current closet, so you guys can be on the lookout for that. We will jump into what's inside of this now. So my favorite, I had wanted one of these caps for a minute. Classic black Saint Laurent caps for quite some time. You guys know that I love Saint Laurent, so this was an amazing gift to receive. This is actually Saint Laurent's collaboration with New Era. It comes with this little New Era X Saint Laurent tag. It also has this Saint Laurent X New Era tag. Also, the inner is lined in this panel with what looks like a satin or silk. Great, because as you wear it, it's not gonna kind of lose its shape like a lot of the classic caps do over time. It'll break in perfectly, but it's still gonna hold up for a long term, and it kind of gives it that more luxury feel. Really wanted an all black cap, so I'm really happy to have this now, and it's definitely gonna get a lot of use going forward. This is what it looks like on. This will be great, honestly, just for Sunday coffee runs. I love it. I love that it's the classic logo, black with just minor white detailing lining the logo, but love this cap. And this is also limited edition. They've already done 2 or 3 of them, if I'm not mistaken, and they sell out really fast. I will link it in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can easily find it. That's like a easy go-to that's also just very chic. I think that this one really hits it on the head, so I will link this one in the description box below. And I didn't even notice that. I just noticed that now. It says Saint Laurent X New Era on the little tab in the back, the pull tab, which is cool. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera for you guys, but I think that I'm gonna cap this video off here for you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna do these 2 separate videos just telling you what's still in my closet, and also just the best and worst purchases of really 2022, and just honestly just the last couple of months, what I feel was the best and has been getting the most use, and then a lot of the pieces that just were bad purchases. As always, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ariel. I do men's luxury and lifestyle content. If you enjoy content like this, definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and drop me some comments at the bottom, just kind of letting me know your thoughts. I like to chop it up with you guys. You can also reach out to me on IG at Ariel.Rosado29 for daily fit pics and reels. I post a lot of style content over there on a daily basis. YouTube is more of my weekly vlogs, which I'm gonna get back on top of in 2023. That's one of my resolutions, to just be on top of this. You guys can hold me accountable to that. But as always, I will see you guys all in the next vlog. Later, guys.